Welcome to Rota First, an AI-powered administration platform designed to simplify scheduling and staffing for elderly care companies. Managing client information shouldn't be complicated, especially in elderly care, where accuracy and time truly matter. In this video, we'll walk you through how easily you can manage client and staff details inside the Rota First application. From the dashboard, simply click on Manage Client. This takes you to the Client List screen, where all registered clients are clearly displayed in one place. Here you'll find 3 key actions that make client management effortless. To add a new client, click the green plus button. To update existing information, use the Edit option. And if needed, clients can be removed using the Remove button, keeping your records clean and up to date. Let's take a look at how to add a new client. On this screen, you can capture all essential client details, including demographic information. You can also record the contract's start and end dates, ensuring proper planning and compliance. One of the most powerful features here is preferred staff selection. You can assign specific staff members as preferred for a client. Later, during shift assignments, these staff members are automatically shortlisted, saving time and ensuring continuity of care. Once all information is entered, simply click Add Client Details to save. That's it. Your new client is now successfully added to the system. Updating client details is just as simple. Click the Edit button next to the client's name to load their existing information. From here, you can easily modify any details and keep records accurate at all times. Just like client details, managing staff information is equally simple. By visiting the Manage Staff section, you can easily edit staff details or remove staff members whenever needed. As you can see, managing client and staff details in Rota First is quick, intuitive, and stress-free. With smart features like preferred staff and easy editing, Rota First helps elderly care providers focus less on administration and more on delivering quality care. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more feature walkthroughs from Rota First.